Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to compress PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Compressing a PDF in Adobe Acrobat is a simple process that can offer several benefits, especially when it comes to file management, sharing, and accessibility. Now, once you open the Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the file that you wanted to compress or the PDF that you wanted to compress. In my case, I'm going to the home section where there is an option here for the tools to compress a PDF. All you're going to do is select a file. You can do that in your documents or the recent ones right here. Or you can add it to your computer. I'm going to be using this file. I'm going to click on continue. And that would be for. But the thing is, you are required to upgrade to the Adobe Acrobat Pro for you to be able to utilize that in the web version. Now, let's try on the desktop application. I've opened the same file in the desktop application. There is a section here on the left side that says compress a PDF. Wherein, if you have your mouse, it says you reduce your PDF file size and control image and font settings. Alright, so again, you need to upgrade to the Acrobat Pro because we're using the free trial. Now, there's another last option for you to do it. If you go to the actual PDF itself, right, click on it. There is a section here that again compress a PDF. We're using the Adobe Acrobat web version. All right, click that. You should go to the three dot section here on the upper right corner where it says download this file. Okay, if you do that, you see there's also an option for you to compress the PDF to the lowest. If you click on low, the lowest size, it's going to be this, and all I have to do now is click the download compressed PDF. Right, and again, you would be forwarded here. Now you see, once you if you've gone to upgrade this, it's going to be a lot easier because smaller files are quicker to upload, download, and share via email or cloud services, because many email services have an attachment size limits. Compressing a PDF ensures it stays within those limits. It reduces the amount of storage required, making it easier to manage large numbers of documents, especially for devices with limited surface. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.